know, a nigga how to stop at the light. Feel me? Sliding on niggas, burning out. Niggas behind me and shit, trying to take off on these niggas, I gotta slide on, dude, don't ever try to be like me. Popos, niggas, watch out for niggas. Niggas want to run red lights and shit. You how I watch these niggas on the freeway, You feel me, bruh? Nigga, you can say something, nigga.
Take off the top on them.
Oh, take off that top. Alright. I had to pull over and do that, Feel me?
Pull over to the side.
I am, bro. Kind of slide on through there. I'm gonna hit my top on y'all niggas.
Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him.
Oh, I'm killing niggas. Hey. So I hit that exit.
Do it.
Hey.
Real quick.
Niggas know I'm about to crash, bro. What's wrong with these niggas? Yeah, you gotta watch out for deers too.
Gotta keep your eyes open.
For real. It's a crazy world here. Hey, y'all know it's a free customized shop, Yeah, I see that car. Yep, I see them.